Manufacturing Resource Planning, MRPII, from Procurement Lexicon. For more such procurement terminologies, please download the Procurement Lexicon guide. The link is available in the description below. Make to Stock (MTS) is a production and inventory strategy in procurement and supply chain management. In MTS, products are manufactured or procured based on forecasts and stored in inventory before customer orders are received. This approach is typically used for products with stable and predictable demand. Manufacturing Resource Planning (MRPII) is a comprehensive method and system used in procurement and production management to optimize the planning and control of manufacturing resources, such as materials, labor, and equipment, to ensure efficient and synchronized production processes. It builds upon the principles of Material Requirements Planning (MRP) by including additional aspects like capacity planning, shop floor scheduling, and financial integration. To explore all the 2,500 plus procurement terminologies, download the Procurement Lexicon at www.procurementlexicon.com. For globally recognized procurement and supply chain certifications, please visit www.physics.net.